welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We are continuing here live at Fiesta Plaza in Movie Town. This is a cup of Joe. We are celebrating 5 and a slice of Cheryl and a cup of Joe. That's how we do. That lady across there, a whole slice of Cheryl is brought to you by the folks at Knorr Sauces and Sides. We have with us 2 new tasters. We have our mixologist that is coming up right after this. Martin James, ladies and gentlemen. Next to him, we have Miss Deborah Lashley, our guest taster from our audience tonight. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And where's Cheryl? Guys, call Cheryl, please.
You have jokes.
I have jokes tonight. I have jokes tonight. 5 foot 4 inches. Her name is as taller as she is shorter.
Wow.
Chef Cheryl-Ann, Shortt-Charles is with us, guys. Chef Cheryl, what are you doing with us using Knorr's products?
Well, you know, for the past 4 weeks,
Yeah.
we have been showcasing the Knorr product, how
Yeah.
easy and simple it is. So today, we're going to use their chicken flavored fried rice.
So Knorr has a fried rice.
They have a fried rice. Now, the thing with Knorr is that quick, easy, you don't have any time to bubble any long pots.
Yeah.
7 minutes flat. So I decided that, you know, around holiday time, everybody busy, either shopping, cleaning out the house, pulling down curtains, washing, have no time to cook.
Yeah, yeah.
Get yourself a pack.
Yes.
Of
And everybody's identifying with that.
Yes.
I mean, yeah,
Right, you have no
busy
time,
during the
you're
Christmas
busy
holidays.
during the
Yeah,
Christmas holidays. So this is the perfect thing for you.
yeah.
So you get yourself a pack of chicken flavor fried rice.
Right.
All you need is water, oil,
Oh, you're adding the oil to the water.
right? Tear your pack open
All right.
and pour.
So that rice is seasoned. You don't have
This
to add any
rice-
salt,
Nothing
at all
whatsoever.
to that.
There's green beans, there's carrots, almost everything that is in a fried
Yeah.
rice. Plus there's vermicelli in it.
There's vermicelli in it as
So
well.
you get 2 for 1.
But you're actually smelling the seasoning as the
Right.
pack came out of it, guys. So it's really lovely flavored already.
Right.
So you just pour that in there. How long that season?
It's going to take about 7 minutes.
7
so we
minutes.
cover it, let it simmer, and
Good.
it's done. But we're going to, as I said, around Christmas time, you're busy, but you always have
Yes.
You have some
yes.
great with ham sometimes, yes.
you always have what to go with your ham.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yes, yes.
So there's a kind
Right.
of Christmas fried rice kind of vibes.
Right.
Yeah,
So we have some here finished already.
Right.
And all you're going to do after the 7 minutes, so
Right.
it's not even going to take a full 10 minutes, is add your ham, add your pineapple. Could you take this, please?
Yes.
And stir it up.
Wow.
So is that it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Christmas is a breeze.
And you're good to go.
Wow. So that's like 2 side dishes we gave you guys tonight for your Christmas table. You can use my creamy spinach and ham and a Christmas fried rice,
Christmas fried rice.
ham and pineapple,
Ham and pineapple. Now, if
using
you,
Knorr's sauces inside.
right, if you don't eat ham, you have
Who's that?
turkey.
Who's that?
Well, you know we're not talking about you.
Somebody don't eat ham?
Of course, I don't eat ham. Not everybody eats ham.
Not everybody eats ham?
Not everybody eats
There are
ham.
people that don't eat ham.
There are people that don't eat ham. Yeah?
That's breaking news or something. That should be, we should interview that person.
I think so, me. Right? Call the whole family, say, come eat, and they
You
wouldn't
smell it,
believe
you're smelling that, yeah.
Nice.
It's simple.
below
Very nice.
10 minutes.
Thank you.
And you have a full meal
full
going.
meal.
As I was saying, minus Joel and his ham. If you don't eat ham and you have some turkey scraps, throw some turkey scraps in there. If you have some baked chicken scrap, pork scraps, anything like that, throw it inside of there and you're good to go.
Add it to the Knorr fried rice. Very, very simple. 7 minutes on the pot. And you toss it anything. You kick it up however you wish. Put your twist on it. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, who doesn't eat ham, put ham in the people rice.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. And point out a plate for herself as well. Guys, try this recipe. This one is a very simple one. That's what we do every weekend on the show. We give you some recipe ideas for you to try. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles brings us some fantastic ones. Thank you very much, Chef Cheryl-Ann
You're
Shortt-Charles.
welcome.
Guys, all the tasting. We sample?
Not yet.
On
we wait.
eat yet?
We were going so good.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
There you go, there you go. Guys, we're taking a short break. We are coming back.
Yeah, sure.
That guy, Martin, will be back next. Happy hour time.